This may officially be the first time I'm ever on time for an appointment. I don't do this purposely, but for some reason my life is just a bit trickier to make it on time. So if I am ever early to anything with you, you've got to be the luckiest person in the whole goddamn world. And I'm officially 15 minutes early to my chiropractor appointment. What the fuck? I think the universe has just changed my luck. This may just be the beginning of a new year for me. Hallelujah! So, let's mark today as the beginning of a beautiful day.